Do you have Oriental or fine area rugs that are dirty, spotted, or just in need of a professional deep cleaning? It probably comes as no surprise that these valuable rugs require special handling and attention when being cleaned. Stanley Steemer, the leader in carpet cleaning for almost 70 years, is proud to introduce our all-new, safe and effective cleaning system for Oriental and fine area rugs. We even offer free pickup and delivery. Basic area rugs, which typically have a latex backing, can usually be cleaned by our technicians in your home and don't require this particular cleaning system. Oriental and fine area rugs, however, are different. They typically have a woven backing. The process begins by placing the rug in our state-of-the-art rug duster, which gently beats the rug, loosening the dry dirt from the carpet fibers. The loosened dirt then falls into a separate chamber away from the rug. You'd be surprised at how much dirt and debris is actually removed. If pet urine is present in the rug, this is when we would apply our special pet urine treatment to remove it. This process removes both the look and the odor that pet urine leaves behind. The rug is then placed in an automated wash tub, where paddles gently agitate the rug while our mild cleaning solution safely lifts any dirt from deep within the fibers. This process is so gentle that it can take over an hour. The rug is then removed and gets a final rinsing to ensure no dirt or cleaning solution is left behind. The drying process begins by spinning out almost all the moisture from the rug. Finally, we hang the rug in a climate-controlled environment to dry completely. We examine the entire rug, making sure everything is clean and your rug looks its very best. We also take the time to comb and spot treat any areas of the fringe that may need special attention. It's details like this that make Stanley Steemer the leader in all carpet cleaning. To keep your rug looking better, longer, we offer the addition of Super Shield Plus, our unique spray-on protector. We know how special and valuable Oriental and fine area rugs are, so we take the time to clean them correctly. Visit StanleySteemer.com or call 1-800-STEAMER.